So it's more of like roasting the plantain, but you need blazing fire to do it. Mommy, last time I did better, 30 years. 30 years now I'm a busy been there. This recipe is what really represents us as Africans, a true traditional local food in Africa, Ghana. So since Bono is the first Akan tribe to settle in Ghana, I'm bringing you the authentic and indigenous local food from the Bono side. This recipe is locally known as Eruja, which literally means burnt plantain ampesi. So the plantain is being left inside blazing fire for it to burn before we use it. And also make our dip using tomatoes, salted fish, onion, pepper, and the basic thing, okay, to complete this recipe. I hope you love this. If this is your first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. As I keep saying, there are lots of hidden recipes in Ghana or in Africa that we need to discover, and this is one of them. So I hope you share this video to a friend, and man, let's do this. Ghana,
they are two say. What did you tell my Janet? There is a Yanadia too.
If you say, what do you say? I'm not being inside.
Who say Yanadia too?
Okay.
Now, there are two, so my bed, I am white.
Where she lives,
once in air.
Okay. So it's more of like roasting the plantain, but you need blazing fire to do it, as I said earlier. So to be on fire, turning it, and when everything is done, soak it inside water with salt, and that's it. So we finally have something like this. So once it's ready, you need to have salted water, and you add in your plantain, the burnt plantain. It goes in like that. So now this will rest inside. How many minutes? 4 minutes, plate. Okay, so 4 or 5 minutes. It will be inside the water with the salt. And man, I'm yet to see the final product of it. Wow. This food normally goes with Ghanaian pepper or hot pepper. Okay, so about to grind our pepper over here in the typical stove, and the oil will be stir fried on top. Added salt to the pepper and onion. Then it's ready. So we have some salmon with the sliced onion on top. So we're taking off the black spots or the black part from it. Okay. Roasted plantain, burnt roasted plantain. Yeah. I'm fetching one. goes on top like that. The grated pepper, the oil. You stir everything together. Then the plantain goes beside it like that. Man, we're down with the uhuja. And man, basically, this is grounded pepper with some stir-fried onion with oil and some salmon and burnt roasted plantain. Man, let's take a bite, man. Yeah, typical Ampesi. Wow. Wow. So delicious. Man, it's so delicious, man. It's not that much spicy. Like, you should cook for us, but still, no. Moderate. You say I'm going to do good drinks, like a moderate. Okay. Amazingly amazing. Uhuja.
Good.
Wow. Stay BRB. Papa, okay. Yeah, so that's it for today. Man, watch the steps of the process and do something for yourself. Yeah, so if this is the first time watching, can you subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. We could be seeing that amazing food from Sunyani, Uhuja. Man, delicious ankasa. Like typical Ampesi in its own different way, different leg altogether. Man, I'm enjoying myself, yeah? Let's do this again. We could be seeing that for Shazam Manizo. I'm out, man.